What's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, we are actually washing this roof. We've washed all of the property as well, and then we're going to do the driveway here. But I want to show you guys what setup do you need to pressure wash a roof. And I know a lot of you guys are wanting to like upgrade to a soft wash system, so I wanted to show you guys what kind of soft wash system that we have. All right, so we're getting ready to clean up this roof here, and I just wanted to show you guys what we have on the actual setup to be able to clean this roof and any other roof as well. All right, so let me show you guys what we've got on the actual setup to be able to clean this roof right here. So first off, this is our chemicals right here. So we have a big tank here that holds all of our chemicals, which is pulled, directly through here. Then we have a water tank, and I'll show you why we have that as well. And then we also have some surfactant where you can add any other chemicals, like, anything that you want to add into your mix as well. So bleach tank, which you guys can see here, has all of our chemicals. And everything is kind of plumbed up back there, which I could make another video for you guys showing you, plumbing and all that good stuff as well. So you can see there, boom, that's for our water tank here. And then obviously our pressure washer, which is separate from our soft washing system. Now here is pretty cool. Here we can turn down our bleach and make sure that we have a better percentage. So on the roof here, we did kind of dial it up a little bit. And then also we have our surfactant and then our water. And you can see here, this is all pre-plumbed. Then here is our soft washing hose. You can see here is our gun with our J-rod. And then also our gun, which turns on and off the chemicals. Here we have our battery and then also our 12-volt pump. So you can see that here. This is manually reeled, which we can do that here. 250 feet of hose right here. So this will get you around all of the house. And then, you can see here that we have some gutter streak removal right there. And that's for removing like gutter streaks, things like that. And then just a few other things in here as well. But primarily, that is our soft wash system, which you can see here. And then also you're gonna want a ladder rack where you can put your ladder. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video showing you around. So if you're thinking about getting a soft washing system, this is the best soft washing system that I would recommend. It's from Pressure Tech, which you guys can go ahead and order one of those from their website. It's Pressure TEK, or you can go to your local pressure washing store and have them build you one, or look it up at DIY on how to build one your own. But you're able to now unlock cleaning roofs, which very high ticket. So make sure that you guys have a soft wash system. I don't really recommend the one from Northern Tool. Get you a nice one. So that's my thoughts on a soft washing system for people that are just beginning or in a moderate state of running a business. All right guys, so you can see us using our soft wash here to actually clean the roof. It turned out absolutely amazing. We did have to bump it up to about a 6%. This job right here we did get from our Facebook advertisements. You guys see me talking about this literally and all the time, and we're staying super busy, booked up literally every day, Monday through Friday here in South Florida. So if you're interested in booking up your schedule as well, send me a message at text message at 843-888-2371. This is where we'll book a free strategy call, and we'll get on the phone, share with you guys a little bit about your business, and also tell you about my services, how I can help you grow your business, and also some recent success that I've had with other clients. Also, another thing, quick tip for you guys to start booking up jobs, get your yard signs. So I have those linked down in the description. Purchase some of those and